Bombela Stadium here. I'm your host, Limpo Mohale. I was here to witness the clash between TS Galaxy and Stellenbosch, a game as of two which has wrapped up with TS Galaxy prevailing by 2-0, defeating Stellenbosch. And I'm not alone. Fellow South Africans, it is now the time. Yeah, let us first get all standard procedures out of the way. Let's go out. Fellow South Africans, stand on guard. President is now within our midst. The first president, Nombolo 10, Shubali Mnandi, Yolento, Amatot, and the ministers. You know, he's never alone. He's never alone. You know? Yeah, fellow President, Your Excellence. Greetings, President. Welcome once again to Mbombela Fanatics, your channel, President. Kulmane Banbaku, President.
Yes, my brother Limpo, greetings to you as well. Yes, I'm here in Mbombela Stadium with my ministers.
Yes, President.
You know them. You are familiar with them.
I know them.
With these faces.
Yes, President.
Even though sometimes it's thinking, but yeah, sit long side again. In Mbombela Stadium, we were watching TS Galaxy, my team.
Yeah, Tumuza.
TS Galaxy, Tumuza, with Stellenbosch, that drama team.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, we're playing with Stellenbosch. Sidlalile game and Stellenbosch. Sithe sathi la kha ukuthi remember last game yabo ukuthi yaba njani. Sigcina Stellenbosch la kufika la Mbombela Stadium. Sadlala ne Pirates. Team ya deputy minister.
Yeah, team yeah.
Basishaya.
Hey.
Nanyalo sibuya ku league basishayile ku league. Nathi sishayiwe ku league. And thina masala khaya vele obvious thina siyawina la khaya.
Oh, like ngeke.
Siyawina khaya obvious we must win all our home games to make sure that we secure a spot less right lapha kulok. Sidlale kahle lo coach wami coach Behanovic.
Yeah.
That coach. That coach.
Oh, yena kwenzekalani?
Lo coach lona ngathi usibamthethephi.
Basenenye.
Akathi bamthethephi. Uqhamuke ne line up lenye lamuhla maqhama nale line up. Uqhamuka Maduna number 10. Umnikela ibhandi. Maduna umnikela ibhandi and we did chase Galaxy Maduna from the first half to the second half. Second half makabuya Maduna. Mase bafaka mbunjana. Ukhombise irespect. I respect Maduna because urespect senior yakhe because you know captain TS Galaxy it's Mbunjana. Lamhla uqale ngaphandle mara uthe makangena ngesecond half wakhipha libhandi wamnika wathi lo mhlabelo sengu akusasi wami sengikhipha timbatata tami sengimoses sengihlambulula so niki president ubone uzapha mina angisaqualify kubala yes badlali bami badlale kahle yes siwine 2-0 as I predicted masingena la ngithe siwina 2-0 and it was 2-0 Mahlambi my anytime goal scorer Mahlambi imdlali lo ngamethemba Mahlambi udlalile washaya igoli then naSanele Barnes bengimsaba ukuthi utokora ngala against thina mara wende thina utabalula wakora on goal waskorela wasinika 2 Sanele Barnes ibhanisi
uligoba ngani president
ngerama ngithi ngale rama ibhanisi irama lamhla Mr. Limpo irama lamhla nginike bengiphethe amakhadi la 2
hayi president uzanenye president
ngizanenye awuthi ngikhiphe kahle irama ngicala first half nginike yellow card ngathi yellow card rama ayibona ngasiqina irama ngathi red card mangisi red card wadideka Sanele Barnes washay on goal
president
nyaro sina 3 points
uthini kimperez
sina 3 points irama ngini red card ila irama thina siyakhuphuka thina solo siyadumuza sipizi nyalo next game
press
siya Sundowns bathi iLoftus yes siya Loftus masiya Loftus iSundowns ito njengoba game le tough mara ngibonile ukuthi i-weak point yawo ikuphi uyathi kuphi
press
Williams
press
Williams uyarelax lapha emva leli goal lingena itolo nje lapha kuye he was in the pitch lingene
It was in the pitch.
lingene asalungisa ngathi bekalungisa angathi usiyini bayilungisa because there was no way ukuthi sidosi ulungisa iwall bekuyikhona leya
Yeah, press.
ukhambi ikhona wa relaxa Williams kwamshaya uve ngayingane zesikolo beka relaxile
Zenzani ingane
ngamsinda ingane zesikolo
Kube after school.
kube after school kwavele kwaphela thank you my deputy uve ngayingane zesikolo lapha Williams yeah ngimara sometimes angithembisa I will be there. I'm going to Loftus Stadium. I will be there.
How much thought?
Ngiyakhona.
Press.
I'm going to witness our 3 point.
Yeah,
Lapha
okay.
iSundowns ngesishaya kakhulu so shaya 1-0.
Oh.
Ayihluphi iSundowns phela iSundowns ayisana lutho. You can attest to that minister.
Minister.
Nisase right iSundowns. Ribeiro uhambile.
Hayi press. Njengoba uthi yakubacinzetela le Loftus press awubacinzeteli unethi ngekuya kwakho kuphela president ubacinzetela nethi nga one goal na president. Yosha minister ngalana babhalale mphathi. President ngiphi indlela lotimisele ngayo ukukwenda loyo president. We saw starting lineup sa coach abastentshile mphathi. Dlamini introduced into the middle of the park. Fish mphathi. Yes, mphathi also came in back. Ulitonyo is back also on the left back position. Mphathi wami ngicela ukubuza mphathi. Any information regarding injury Macbeth because taking into consideration that he just came back mphathi yabo president sibona ngathi kubanjwa lidolo press sikela mina press wona ngiyathi unatotonga press tshela mina kwenzakalani press
Kulo kuMacbeth yena le injury yakhe yakhombisa ukuthi usengapholi kahle but he's a fighter, he's a soldier.
Yeah.
Social fela empini. La besembini ukuthi silo la bangasijwayeli banga outside but uzidlala ekhaya.
Yeah.
Macbeth is a soldier.
Yeah.
He must soldier on. Ilapha you sign a code of conduct there. Lesho kona ukuthi utoqhubeka noma kubhetha noma kanjani. Macbeth sebaya ngikufuna efieldini la Sundowns siqhubeka nawe Macbeth.
awutamfasa ngama-tape leli lidolo president utawugijima ngafuni president
Leli dolo angathi uyaphuma Mahlambi not Sibaya man Mahlambi sengizongena njani Sibaya Macbeth Mahlambi ngomfasa ngizokhamba ne first aid kit yami
press
yes mangibona ukuthi uyalekha njani ngiyamfasa siyaqhubeka sibheka phambili
president ngoba ngingakubuza president namuhla press press game party namhla imujele ngimbonile mphathi athi uyakuconza mphathi mfana wakho bafana bakho ngimujele nakabini
Khiba ngibani Khiba
yeah
Khiba yes
yeah mba yo Khiba
yes
hey bonke kabini
mjela na Khiba bafana bami labo babona uza ukuthi lapha lapha thina angisiyabati siba produceile siyabati everything siyathi ngayo ukuthi kufuna sisidile kanjani ngapha umbonile bagcina sebamkhipha naye babonile ukuthi lo ngasi udlala le team lengale bashothine phela bathi lengale bashothine
hayi man
ngani mfana wethu lo uyathi ukuthi vele there is no way ukuthi angawina against us because simtrainile simente konke wethu lo angeke sihluphe
press
mister
uma sesingathi siyayibuka lento na president mphathi TS Galaxy ngendlela ledlele ngayo namhla mphathi mfana Dlamini siyambona uthola ihome debut yakhe mphathi after arriving kulo licembu lakhona la isibhakabhakeni in the space mphathi and from a scale of 1 to 10 press i-performance yemfana ungathi uyirate kanjani because we saw first half was a little bit shaky but second half when he came back he redeemed himself and indicated signs and showed life ukuthi I'm here to fight le position le yambujane lena nami ngidayilwela nami ngiyayifuna ngisemsebenzini indoda nendoda isebenzela umndeni wayo ntoni
yena mongathi uyambuka ufuna ukukhipha my captain but yena ngimnika 6 for today's performance ngimnika 6 out of 10 udlalile usiphakamisile ukhonile ukuvala lapha emuva ukuthi sikhona ukuphusha naMadonna naye number 10 Madonna so ukhulile Madonna ukhombisa ukuthi he's matured
yes press
ukhonile kuyi-leader le team and bekadlala kahle and ibhola yakhe makayidlala akalwi uyayithatha aphase relax ungalwi nebhola ibhola ila ibhola ayike enyaweni ibhola ila
ukuqaka
ila emqondweni ibhola once wamastera ibhola ila ucedzile ngosingathiya sisethinyaweni mayithambolo ukukhohlela so tophiza ukhohlela
Inkomo.
asikhahleli lana asifuna inkomo la sifuna ukuthi ibhola uyadi from la ngqondweni bese iye enyaweni le ngqondo ikutshele ukuthi itshele lelinyawo ukuthi how do I pass the ball
Yeah.
ngibani lovulile ngibani lo right ukuthi ngamnika le bhola yes
Press. Ngendlela yakhona press.
yes
Awubendele ngendlela yakhona lovamise kubavalelisa ngayo la ekhaya press. Ngiyakunika nyalo ngithi nayiland for press. Ukodfokuwe president.
let's make an
Layo kasabe press.
It's mine 1 2 3
1 2 3 4 5 6
7 8 9 10 11 12
Akamaturukisi.
ye mina ngithi mina 1 2 3
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 Akamaturukisi aka.
akamatorokisi
Akamaturukisi aka. Akamaturukisi aka. Akamaturukisi aka.
hey akamatorokisi
Akamaturukisi aka. Akamaturukisi aka. Akamaturukisi aka.
ifadi